Welcome sa ating main event between the two-time back-to-back defending champion Bamboo Rats Knights against Notorious Brothers. After all the festivities, after all the player introductions, after the national anthems and prayer, we are about to start. Stolen by Jim Carpio. Jim nasa left side. Jim sa gitna, binigay kay Rafi. Rafi sa ilalim. Yes sir! And that's our first backing bucket.
Uy! Tapal!
What a defense!
Not today! Reset! Malamig sa labas.
Pero mainit dito.
Mainit dito.
Quick for nothing for Notorious Brothers here.
Yes sir. This is our main event. Division 1 Championship guys, against Bamboo Rats versus Notorious Bros. Pamintuan! Mira sa harap. Wala.
Justin binigay kay Vince. Vince ilalim kay Gamboa. What a pass! What a pass by Vince Guerrina.
Ay raganit. Uy, ang ganda ng pasa pero nakuha. Uy, umikot Guerrina.
Vince kick out swing to Gerard, wide open for 3. Yes sir!
Oregas. Oregas! Hard with the basket.
Marabilid naghahanti ng kampe. Jim
Carpio.
Yes,
oh, yes sir!
Sa inyong pag-like and share at pagsuporta ng ating Liga Batang Pinoy Basketball League. Gerard binigay sa kanyang kapatid si Justin. Justin tumira ng 3. Yes sir! Justin pamintuan.
Carpio. And now Gutierrez umikot. Gutierrez malakas. Nakuha ni Guerrina. Here comes Guerrina, pull up. Grabing tear trap yun, napaka-perfect. Hello. Hello. Oh, maingay tayo, maingay. Nandito ako sa finals. Pull up. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Gamboa. Comes Pamintuan Brothers. Pasa sa labas. Umikot ang bola. Napakaganda ng rotation. Kaso wala. Rebound by Sakali. Ito Gamboa. Tumira na lang sa dos. Yeles. Natapalan ng bata. Sakali. Nagmamadali. Pinasa sa loob. Gamboa. 2.
Salamat sa ating major sponsor ng ating Open Division, Maylin & Associates. If you have any questions, contact her at 604-723.
Yun lang. Iniiwas kasi.
Na-intimidate kay Vince Guerrina. John Gamboa. Oh! What a power play!
Gawan ni Guerrina. Grabe yan.
Notorious Bamboo Rats Knights 24 with 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Inaayos po ang scoreboard. Bamboo Rats Knights fast break! Yes sir! Po ang scoreboard natin 26-15 in favor of Bamboo Rats Knights. Rafi wide open 3. Mintes. Gutierrez with offensive rebound. Palpal sa ilalim ulit. Uy, foul. Gutierrez first shot. Second shot. Oy, Mintes, pero offensive rebound ni Maravilla. Irvin, offensive rebound. Okay, Joffrey De La Isla ulit. Ano sa tingin mo ang kailangan gawin ng Notorious Brothers?
Limitahan nila yung mga
Tumira ng 3. Wala. Vince skying high for the rebound. Vince umatake. Ooh. Saan po nanonood ang ating mga fans? Nasa Canada ba? Guerrina for Bamburas Knights. Jim Carpio. Tumira! Yes! Hindi nagtuturo. And unsportsmanlike foul. Yan sa Cavite ngayon. Second shot. Yes, sir! Sabi ni Irvin Alisales, 1-on-1 kay Chole. Irvin, nawala ang bola. Irina, umatake. Oh, what a shot! With 7 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Foul by Saks. Rodel, second shot. Lumabas. Okay, sabi niya, alis ka dyan, Rodel. Rafi Oregas, 1-on-1 kay Gamboa. Rafi, tumira ng 3. Short. Rebound by Chole. 3-on-1. Just Gerard Romero, sabi niya, watching from Thailand. Sabadeha. Go Raf, sabi ni Zaira. 10 seconds to shoot. Gamboa, binigay kay Chole. Chole, binigay kay Gamboa ulit. Yes, sir! Play fast. Kasi maganda ang depensa ng Bamburas Knights sa half court. Wala pass. Yes, sir. Martin Kugler. Angelo Palaroan, sabi niya, go Clarence. Vince. Yeah! Boom, 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 boom! Vince Carina. Extend the lead to 15. Irvin sa ilalim. Irvin, foul. First shot is good. Second shot. 14. Wake up, Irvin! Sabi ni Sarah Pats, mom is watching. Vince, binigay kay Gerard. Gerard, mid-range jumper. Yes! Itagay na natin to. Sige, ano ang itatagay nyo dyan, Mark Romero and Joshua Balbin? Justin, tumira ng 3. Yes! 19, 43 to 24. Bamburas Knights with a man-to-man defense here. Mid-range jumper, no good. Vince with the rebound. Salamat sa ating 70,000 nanonood. And basket is ang pinakamalaking lamang ngayon. 20. Irvin, ilalim, foul. Line for 2. First shot is good. Second shot. Yes, sir. 18 ang kalamangan ng Bamburas Knights with more than 2 minutes remaining. Sakali, binigay kay iniikot ang bola ng Bamburas Knights. Vince. Crossover. Binomba, wala, pero offensive rebound. Kick out to Gerard! Gerard bomb into 1 for 3. 21 na ang lamang ng Bamburas Knights. Irvin umikot sa ilalim. Basket is good. Sarah Pats, John Paul Morales, and pagsuporta sa Batang Pinoy Basketball League. On the line, second shot. Okay. Binigay ulit kay Irvin Maravilla, 1-on-1 kay Chole. Irvin, pass to Oregas. Oy, nice pass and a bucket. Penalty, hindi nakuha ng replay.
Wala sa sinyeles dito, wala sinyeles.
1 out of 2 for Velez. Nagawa ni Vince. Gerard, palpal ni Rafi Oregas. Let's see if that sparks Notorious Brothers. Oregas, jump shot. Yes, sir! And down to 14-point lead ang lamang. Sakali. First shot. It's good. Tama ka dyan, RJ. Putata ni Rafi Oregas. Second shot, 1 out of 2. Directing the play right here. Wide open si Lord Kirk. Yes, sir. Gamboa, 1-on-1 kay Irvin Maravilla. Gerard. Woo! Wala. Girinya. Oy! Gamboa. Nabitawan. Vince with offensive rebound. No. Sabi ni I am Reyna Calderon. Go Ninong Raf. Lord Kirk. Tres. Pass. 55-41. Raf Oregas. 2 points. Wala. Good defense there by Gutierrez. Jim binigay kay Raf. Raf jump shot. No. As you can see, naka-score si Gutierrez kanina. Ang Gama tambak, kulang sa ball rotation mga bros. Sabi naman ni ng Notorious Brothers. Sorry, alamang ng Bamboras Knights, 10 na lang. Their biggest lead was 21 points. Justin, step back, defense may raganit. Justin, wow! What a shot! Ang game na to. 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Irvin 1-on-1 kay John Gamboa. Irvin, nice! Justin binalik kay Vince. Sabi ni Vince, sandali lang. Binabantayan ng dikit ni Kian Macareeg. Justin, corner, tumira ng 3. Oh! Extends the lead to 15 points. Maravilla sa gitna. Irvin, matake! Yes, sir! Minutes remaining. Vince with the ball. Binabantayan ni Rodel. Kick out to Sacalye. Sacalye tumira ng 3! Woo! Sacalye with the 3-pointer. Irvin umikot. Wala. Same team, same rebound. Yes! Si Maravilla na lang. Taps the ball to Jim. Wala pass by Oy! Oh my gosh! Mapapa, oh my god ka na lang. Suri, British Columbia, maulan. Rooting for you. Jim, all the way. Wala. Vince, outlet to Sacalye. Yes. 17-point lead. Rafael, umatakay sa ilalim. Yes, sir! Oregas completes the 3-point play. Girina binigay kay Gerard. Gerard mid-range. Oh! Sweet! Lord Kirk. Gutierrez sa ilalim. Yes, sir! Gamboa sa ilalim. Gamboa palpal! Ulit ni Rafi Oregas. Good defense there by Rafi Oregas. Jim, pinigay kay Gutierrez. Sa ilalim! Mintes. Oregas. Yes, sir! Reggie, binigay kay Vince. Vince umikot. Floater by Vince! Yes! And Girina. Sabi ni Jay, balik natin kay Rafi. Rafi. Fake. Shot. Oh, what a shot there by Rafi Oregas. Rafi, mid-range shot. Wala. Reggie on the line. Yes. Reggie, one more. Sabay tingin ulit ni Reggie Alano sa kanyang mga fans. Ang daming fans ni Reggie Alano dito. "14 seconds remaining with 6 seconds to shoot." Vince tumira. Oh! Ayan na, last 2 minutes ng ating championship game. Oregas jumper, yes! Sweet jumper there. At 14 ang kalamangan. Next time. Foul! Wow. And that's it. Congratulations sa Bamburas Knights completing their three-peat.
Sila muna. Wala pa. Second. Hoy, lahat tayo.